In this week's video, you're gonna find out how we find winner products for our Shopify dropshipping stores over and over. Yep, you heard that right. We're gonna show you the top 5 tools that you can use to find winner products for your next dropshipping store, or even if it's a brand in 2022. All these are fully updated. I hope you enjoy. And by the way, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button before you do anything at all. We're dropping massive value every single week. So you want to stay tuned for everything. And with that, let's get into the video. In this week's video, you're going to find out the top 5 tricks and tools for you to go ahead and find your next winner product on your dropshipping or e-commerce brand. These 5 tools have been tested and proven in our e-commerce brand and is the result of millions of dollars generated online. In 2022, there's more competition in the e-commerce space than ever, and choosing the right product is crucial, but sometimes can be hard and tedious. And that's why these 5 tools will really help you jumpstart your own e-commerce brand from scratch. Now make sure you go ahead and stay to the very end of this video because we are finally announcing our brand new software that will help you find winner products over and over with a snap of a finger. Instead of going ahead and reinventing the wheel, we're gonna go ahead and create products for you. We're gonna pick and choose the products every single week and send them to your inbox. More information coming later this video. You don't wanna miss that.
So without further ado, let's get right into it. So the first one that we have is called the Greenhead.com. So I found this a while back and I've been using it to find some of my winners, and it's absolutely amazing because people haven't heard of it and there's so many winners on here. So if you guys know the Hula Fit product that we ran, we actually found on this website. So if we just look at it, so it has multiple different categories that you can look through. So if we go through fitness, right, something that's actually doing well, right? So we can see a bunch of fitness products here. So there's the hula hoop right there.
That's pretty crazy. Oh, by the way, if you guys don't know, check out our other videos because we went into a case study on how we went from nothing to over 100,000 in less than 2 months with this brand.
So some cool products, even this anti-aging facial muscle toner. So there was actually another product very similar to this, which basically you would chew on it and it would strengthen your jaw. So similar function, and this could potentially do well because that did do well. So you can definitely come on this site and find some winner products that are absolutely going to crush it.
Now the biggest thing when it comes to these winner products is you want to find products that scream wow and that have a passionate audience back behind it. Remember, I heard a story once that if someone has a hot dog stand with a hungry audience, they're gonna pay whatever it is for that hot dog. So it's very important to go ahead and have a passionate audience backed behind whatever product that you're about to test. Number 2 is This Is Why I'm Broke. This website absolutely cracks me up. They have some pretty corny products in here, but some of them are worth testing in your e-commerce brand and store. Now, we're gonna go through this really quickly and I'll show you some of the products that they have. Some of them are super high ticket, but the best price that you wanna go for is anywhere between $40 to $100 on your e-commerce brand. So you do have that good margin to play with. Definitely, again, you wanna look for those products with the wow factor and things that maybe solve a problem or have a passionate audience back behind it. For example, this rainbow lamp absolutely went crazy over on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. It's pretty cool. A lot of younger audiences love these type of products. It shows like rainbow, it shows the sunset as if it was, and it did super well. So definitely take a look at This Is Why I'm Broke. There's a ton of new products in there and they update it all the time. There's also a really cool feature on there that actually shows you how many people saved that product and how many people liked it. So the more saves it has, the more likes it has, the better it probably is. But again, you want to make sure you use the right characteristics and look for products that you would see people actually buy, not just seem cool. Okay, so definitely check out This Is Why I'm Broke, and that's number 2. We're gonna get into number 3. Don't forget, at the end of this video, we're going to be reviewing the final and best software to use. Number 3, this is more of a premium service. We've tried it before, so it's pretty good, but it really depends on your budget, and it's called AdSpy. AdSpy is the all-in-one search software for winner products. They're gonna be able to go out there and find ads that are absolutely going viral right now in the market. So you can go ahead and register AdSpy. There'll probably be a link down below, and if not, adspy.com, I believe, is the website to go to. What's the prices on this? I think $149 a month. So it's a little expensive, but what you could do is you can pretty much go ahead and search ads that are absolutely going viral. And if something is going viral already in the market, then it probably can do well for you as well if you can go ahead and take advantage of what they're not doing correctly. For example, if your competition doesn't have a good website or a good creative, then go ahead and try to get a better creative and a better website. Doing these little things can really help you destroy your competition and take your brand to the next level. Let's move on to number 4.
Number 4 is PP ads. So PP ads is the brand new platform to find TikTok ads that are doing well. So for AdSpy, we just mentioned it, that's gonna be for Facebook ads essentially. And PP ads is for TikTok. So TikTok has been blowing up recently.
And speaking of TikTok ads, as we said, 2022 is all about destroying your competition, being better than what people are doing out there already in the market. And TikTok ads has really allowed us to take things to the next level. A lot of our YouTube channel is based around how you can launch your own TikTok ads for your Shopify products. And if you take advantage of it right now and early to the game, you can really go ahead and succeed in the e-commerce field and make money online. So if you're trying to learn TikTok, just right down below, there's gonna be a little link. You can schedule a call with one of our team members. We have an entire new program on TikTok ads alone, dozens and dozens of videos for you to learn from. So if you wanna, go ahead and apply for that, click the link below, schedule a call with one of our team members, and we can see if you're the right fit to work with us. Let's continue on with PP ads.
So PP ads, essentially, as I said before, is going to be the exact same thing as AdSpy, but for TikTok. So with AdSpy, you'll be able to filter through different ads on Facebook. PP ads is going to be the exact same thing. So you can just do whatever filters you think is going to be best fit for you and just scroll through it and go through it. So a plan for this, I think, is about 70 to 150 bucks a month. I'm not entirely sure. We currently have a plan for it. Don't remember what it is. But this is definitely the best option if you guys are trying to find TikTok ads that are doing well on TikTok.
Now, the biggest thing that you want to look for on this platform is any product ads that are just getting thousands and thousands of views. If a product's going ahead and getting a lot of engagement, it's probably working, so you can go ahead and use it in your store. Do make sure that there is, some room for growth. If the product's already millions of views, it's kind of hard to compete with them, but if you feel like you can compete with them in a certain angle or in a different way, definitely go ahead and try it for your own brand.
And guys, remember, with TikTok ads, it's all about the creative. So if you see a creative that's kind of whack, that's doing well, you can most likely, 100%, you can take that product, do it yourself, just make better creatives, and you will 1000% do better. Like, I always hear it that people in the space, they'll take a product from being so unprofitable to profitable by just changing the creatives. So that's definitely something you're gonna wanna do with TikTok ads.
Love it. Now, there you go. That is 4 very awesome softwares that you can use to potentially find a winner product. But the problem that many of our members and students, and even myself, have been running into is going ahead and out of these amazing ads and these crazy products on these websites, which ones you actually choose. And that's why we went out there and created something called Immersive. Immersive is the all-in-one product research and product fulfillment software. What it is a system where we send you 5 different products every single week straight to your inbox. So once you sign up for the service, it's 7 days free. You can cancel at any time. We go ahead and scour the internet, all these amazing websites. We go out there and we find products that are the best on these platforms, and we send them straight to you. So you don't have to do any guesswork. You know that we already validated them. We know that these are going to work. You can test these products for yourself, and even after the 7 days, it's 29 bucks, no pressure at all. And that's Immersive. We really put a lot of time into this new software, and we've been getting tons of requests of you guys asking, hey, can you choose us products to test? We're tired of going ahead and testing, spending hundreds or even thousands of dollars on TikTok ads, on Snapchat ads, on Facebook ads, and nothing working. So we're gonna go ahead and choose 5 products a week for you. So if you wanna go ahead and sign up for that and be part of the first members inside, we're opening up 100 slots. Click the link below to go ahead and sign up. And it's very simple. You sign up and then you get an email every single week with the products that we selected. You're free to do whatever you want with them and even purchase video ads from our team. Now, another thing that we also implemented with Immersive is that fulfillment, once you do join, or even if you don't join, this is 100% for free. If you go on the website, there's going to be a little pop-up, or you can message me on Instagram at RealSamJacobs for fulfillment options. So if you have stores that are doing over, let's say, 10 orders a day, we can even process up to 1,000 orders a day. It doesn't really matter how many you're doing. Go ahead and message me or fill out the form on Immersive. We have anywhere between 7 to 12 day shipping from China, and we'd love to help you out with our amazing fulfillment team. So that's about it. Go ahead and take a look at all these amazing tools. Immersive is available now to the public right down below for the next first 100 people, and we are super excited to help you with your e-commerce journey. We'll see you in the next one. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and like button to help out the channel, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.